Dear students, today we will discuss about interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds are the compounds formed by the reaction between two halogens having different electronegativities. There are various types of interhalogen compounds like type AX, in which only one halogen and other halogen singly react with each other to get AX type of pattern, for example ClF. Second is AX3 pattern. In this case you will get ClF3 type of compounds. Third one is AX5. In that case you will get ClF5, BrF5, IF5, these compounds. And last one is AX7 type. Now we will see the structure and bonding in AX3 type of interhalogen compounds. For example, we will consider ClF3 molecule. So first of all, we have to remember what is the valence shell electronic configuration of chlorine, and that you know it is general electronic configuration is Ns2Np5, and more precisely for chlorine it is 3s2 3p5. So if you consider the above diagram, in this case the ground state electronic configuration consists of 2 electrons in s atomic orbital and 5 electrons in p atomic orbitals. That is 2, 2 and 1 in p atomic orbital. But in excited state, one electron gets promoted from 3p atomic orbital to the vacant 3d atomic orbital, thereby giving 3 unpaired electrons in the excited state electronic configuration of chlorine, and hence 3 fluorine atoms can take part in the reaction and overlap will occur between these orbitals. Before that, in excited state, the chlorine atom will have 2 electrons in 3s atomic orbital, 2 electron in 3px atomic orbital, py and pz will contain 1 single, and 3d atomic orbital will contain 1 electron. Now all these will undergo sp3 dehybridization to give new equivalent hybrid. Now these atomic orbitals will undergo sp3 dehybridization to give how many new hybrid orbitals will be formed? That will be equal to the number of atomic orbital undergoing. So S, P3 and D means 5 new hybrid orbitals will be formed and they will undergo hybridization. After hybridization, you will get new 5 and they will orient themselves so as to give maximum distance apart from each other. So you will get a trigonal bipyramidal geometry of these orbitals, but you have only 3 fluorine atoms. Therefore, 2 of the hybrid orbital will have lone pair of electrons on chlorine and 3 will have single unpaired electron with which fluorine will get combined to give the ClF3 molecule. The geometry is just like a T-shaped, and that is shown in the figure. In the ClF3 molecule, remember the 2 hybrid orbitals are not overlapping. They will contain lone pair of electrons on themselves. See the diagram and geometry of ClF3 molecule. Now we will consider the another type, that is AX5. Consider the molecule of BrF5. Ground state electronic configuration of bromine will have the electronic configuration 4s2 4p5. In excited state, 2 electrons get promoted from the p atomic orbital to vacant 4d atomic orbitals and thereby giving 5 unpaired electrons totally. And these atomic orbitals will undergo sp3d2 hybridization to give 6 new hybrid orbitals which will orient themselves in octahedral fashion. But you know that there are only 5 unpaired electrons and one orbital is containing a lone pair. Therefore, though these atomic orbitals will orient themselves in octahedral fashion, but they will allow only 5 fluorine atoms to get combined. Therefore, the geometry of BRF5 molecule will be a square pyramidal type.